Did you know that what happened during your DUI arrest could be the key to beating your DUI charge? In this video, I'm going to share a powerful defense strategy that most people don't know about. It's a strategy that could help you win your DUI case. I'm Dan Joffe, DUI lawyer at Nextlaw. Let's dive in. Most people aren't aware of the laws that protect them from the actions of the government, which includes the police, during their DUI arrest. These rights are part of the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms, which is in our Constitution. The Charter can be interpreted in different ways, and it's up to judges to decide how it applies to each case. When judges make decisions on new DUI cases, their interpretations become the law that the police must follow during a DUI arrest. Good DUI lawyers will use these rights to find ways to beat your DUI charge. Think of these rights like a to-do list for the police when they arrest someone for a DUI. The police must follow every step on the to-do list, no exceptions. If an officer makes a mistake or doesn't keep up with the latest rules from the judges, it could lead to your DUI case being dismissed. Judges can toss out evidence if they find that your charter rights were violated, even if the officer was too busy to stay up to date with those rules. This is where skilled DUI defense lawyers have an edge. They stay on top of the latest legal challenges that can allow them to find mistakes made by officers. By finding these errors, they can build a strong defense and possibly get your DUI charges dropped. Let me give you a real-life example. In other words, let me explain what that rule actually means. A few years back, someone was arrested for impaired driving. The police told him about his Section 10B right to speak with a lawyer, but that's all they did. The person told the police he already had a lawyer and gave them the name and number. The police did let him speak to a duty counsel lawyer, which is the free legal advice available, but they didn't make any effort to get in touch with his own lawyer. Later, the person challenged this in court, arguing that his Section 10B charter right was violated because he didn't get to speak to the lawyer of his choice, even though he did speak to a lawyer. Guess what? The judge agreed. The judge said that since the guy told the police he had a lawyer, and the police didn't try to contact that lawyer, his Section 10B right to speak with a lawyer was breached, plain and simple. So the judge tossed out his case, even though there was strong evidence that the person was actually guilty of the DUI charge. Now, when a judge makes a decision like this, it becomes a new rule that the police have to follow. It's like adding a new task to their to-do list. For example, if someone being arrested for a DUI tells the police they have a lawyer, because of this rule, the police must make a reasonable effort to get in touch with that specific lawyer. If they don't, the DUI charges could get dismissed. This is just one example of the many interpretations made by the courts, and these interpretations become part of the police's to-do list that they must follow. And that's just one interpretation of one part of the charter. There are many other rules and examples. The point is, a skilled DUI lawyer will know all these rules, stay up to date on the law, read court decisions, and use them to analyze what happened during your DUI arrest to find out ways to beat the DUI. If they find anything during your arrest that has violated these charter rules, that's an opportunity for a good DUI lawyer to potentially beat your DUI charge, and that's really important. If you need help with any impaired driving offense, reach out to book a free confidential call with me. The link is in the description of this video. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to get more legal insights about DUI charges.